Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use pathfinding service. So, for example, if you want a part to find its way to another part or position, or an NPC to walk to a position, I'll be showing you how to do that. There's many ways to use pathfinding service. I'm going to show you first with using a part. So you can insert a part. I'm actually going to make it a ball, just so it's easier. I'll just size it to 3,3,3 like that. I'll make it red, and then I'll make another one as a blue. I'll name this one end, and this is gonna be the pathfinding ball. So you can put a script in the pathfinding ball, and you can get the pathfinding service. You can make a variable for the path, so the path is going to equal to the pathfinding service, create path, and you can have parameters inside, but I won't get into that right now. And I'll show you the parameters are later. And over here, I just want to compute the path. So you're making a variable, then you're computing the path, and you want the start vector, so it's going to be the script.parent.position, comma, the workspace.end.position. And you can basically you're going to want to loop through all of the waypoints. So for I, comma, waypoint in pairs, path get waypoints, and we're just going to want to make the let's just teleport the ball, because yeah, so the script.parent.position is going to equal to the waypoint.position, and you can just wait like 0.1 seconds. If you run, it's going to teleport. Yeah, you see, it goes to, you can actually anchor these, by the way, but if you see it moves to the ball. So that's one way, and you can even test it by putting like a wall here, wall, and anchoring it. It's gonna walk all the way around to the ball. So that's the way with the ball. I'll show you how to do it with the NPC too. So you can go to Avatar, go to Rig Builder, and you can go to whatever NPC you want. I'm just gonna use a R6 and a block avatar. You can actually copy the pathfinding script from the ball and put it in the NPC. You can just name it AI. Now, instead of getting the position of the rig, you're going to want to get the get pivot dot position. So it's getting its pivot position, and you can't set it, so you're just going to want to make the script.parent.humanoid move to waypoint.position, and instead of waiting, you can just wait when the humanoid finished walking. Move to finished, wait. Now if you run, it should walk directly to the ball. As you can see, it did. And if you move it here, it's going to do the same thing. As you see, they both work. Now, if you want to make a pathfinding killer, for example, or a pathfinding NPC that has to go to a position, but the position moves and it has to update, I can show you how to do that. So for example, in the here, you can create a while task.wait loop, and you can copy this, and over here you're gonna want to get the path get waypoints, comma 2 dot position. Make sure it's not 1 because 1 is the position of the NPC, and you can actually just check before. So if not this, then we're just gonna continue, then continue end, just so it doesn't create an error. So if you playtest the game now, well, he's not moving, but there's a solution to that. That's because we're never re-updating the path, so you can actually just copy this and add it in the loop too. So if you run now, it's going to walk, and if you move it here, for example, it's gonna always update. It kind of walks kind of slowly, so if you want to fix that over here, instead of waiting it, you just wait. Or so if you want to fix that, all you can do is over here, you want to do task.wait for there's no waypoint, so it doesn't create a yield, and you, instead of task.wait for the loop, you just do raw to-do. So now it's a bit better, but it's still kind of slow. There's another solution, because it's loading the waypoint each time. So instead of waiting, you just put a wait there, and now it's better. It updates every time. Pathfinding service. I'll show you what the params are for. The params, if you create a table inside the create path right here, the params are basically, let's say, the ball is here, and you don't want the NPC to even go close to the wall when it's turning around. You can go and add some params. So agent radius is the radius. It's like how big the NPC is. You can set it to a number. I'm just gonna set it to 15 to show you. Agent height is how high the NPC is. I'll set it to like 4, and agent can jump, or I think it's just can jump, and it's just if it can jump or not. There's also costs, so cost is going to equal to a table, and yeah, but I'm not going to show you how to do costs because if you don't know how to use pathfinding service, I don't think you'll need to know how to use costs. And basically over here you just see if this dot so if you run now, you'll see the NPC is not even going close to the wall. You can set the thing, the radius higher, so like 25. See, it's staying its distance from the wall. You can even make it bigger, like 55. Yeah, but if I, for example, if I move this ball over here and I make this wall bigger, I think it's gonna have less juggling. See, it's taking it has a lot of distance from the wall, and now it's gonna come. So that's basically pathfinding service. I hope you like this video, and goodbye.